Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Poison Sac in Monster Hunter World. Poison Sac is a low rank material that drops from one monster only, Puke. Here are the drop rates from quest rewards, which is the only way you will get it. Low rank quest reward gives 1 Poison Sac at 19%. Low rank investigation silver reward gives 2 at 16%. Low rank investigation gold reward gives 3 at 12%. Poison Sac drops as a quest reward, not as an item you pick up or carve during the hunt. For quest rewards, it's best to break every monster part and capture Puke instead of killing it. Capturing adds extra reward rolls, which increases your chances. Useful tip: focus on investigations with silver and gold reward boxes and always capture the monster. This gives you the best odds per hunt. And that's how to get Poison Sac in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.